Here is the Nissan Qashqai. Let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Nissan emblem, that's the secondary release lever there. Push it left and lift up the hood. That's how the secondary lever works. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod from there and put it right over there in that slot to secure it. And now the hood is secure. Let's get started with the passenger side. That's the low beam and that's the high beam. First you'll do the low beam. That's the bulb. The way to access it is you go behind it. That's the bulb right there with the green label on it. First you'll need to get the electrical connector out. So get it out from the top end. See where my thumb is? Just pull it up from there and then slide it off. And then twist the bulb left to loosen it. Now I was able to loosen the bulb easily, but sometimes it may be stuck over there because of moisture. So I'll show you a trick. Before you get the connector out, use that extra leverage there to twist the bulb loose. Once you get it loose, then you can slide the connector out and then you get the bulb out. So let's get this off and twist the bulb left again and get the bulb out. The bulb size is right there on it, H11. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon and avoid touching the glass surface of the bulb with your bare skin. Now there are 3 wings over there on the bulb. They need to align with those 3 slots inside the light. Only when it does that will the bulb just drop in and sit in flush. Otherwise you'll be spending a few seconds just twisting and turning. Now that's good. It's sitting flush. Twist your right. Get the connector on it. Slide it on and you're done. Moving on to the high beam. That's the bulb. The way to access it is right over there. Easily accessible. First get the connector off. Slide that connector off. Grab the bulb and twist it left. And out it comes. The bulb size for the high beam is H9. Says it right there on it, H9. Again, check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Get the new bulb and align it there. Do some twisting and turning before it sits in flush like this. And then twist your right to lock it. Get the connector back on and slide it on. Moving on now to the driver's side. Exact same process, just as accessible. That is the low beam bulb. Get it out. Same bulb size as the passenger side, H11. Sees it right there on it, H11. And again, to take it out, it's the same thing. Just get the connector off, get the new one, put the new bulb back on. Let's put this back in, and you may have to spend a few seconds sort of trying to get it to sit in properly. Once it's sitting flush, just twist your right to lock it. And now let's move on to the high beam bulb finally. Same as the passenger side, get the connector off first. Once the connector slides off, grab the bulb and twist it left to get the bulb out. Same size as the passenger side, H9 for the high beam, H9. Get the new H9 bulb and put it in the light. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in, like that. Yes, that's good. Now just twist the bulb right to lock it. Slide the connector on and click it in place. That is good. See how easy the process was? Now let's go inside the car, turn it on, and turn all the lights on and check it to make sure it's working fine. Let's turn all the lights on and turn the high beams on. That is good. Let's check out the lights now. The driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side. That is good. Hope you found it useful. To close the hood, first push on it and get the prop rod out of the slot. Put it back in its place, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.